Right, let's show Richard this amazing thing.
See that?
Look. See the little red thing? You watching? Can you get it?
Daddy get it.
Can you see it?
Ooh, that's a one.
That's so weird.
Weird.
Can you get it?
Daddy get it.
Daddy get it? Can you see it?
Daddy get it. Daddy get it.
Can Richard see it though? Can you get it?
Oh. Daddy get it.
There it is.
Oh. Look at that. Daddy
Can you
get
see it? You've got to see it up there.
Daddy get it.
Daddy get it.
Yeah. Daddy get it. Daddy get it. How about Daddy get it?
How about Daddy get it? There it is.
Oh.
Can you get it?
Daddy get it.
Can you feel it?
Oh. Daddy get it.
What about if we put some money in there?
Money in it. Daddy.
And is there a penny?
And a ball.
You want the ball back in there?
Take the money out. Take the money out. Take money out. Take the money out.
Is that very weird?
Want to take the money out.
Okay, Daddy do it.
Want
Should we put the ball back in?
to
Here it is.
Daddy get it. Daddy get it. How about Daddy get it? How about Daddy get it?
Okay, all done.
Daddy get it. Ooh.
No, you've got to keep it flat.
Daddy get it.
Daddy get it then.
Go on then.
Oh. Pretty.
Pretty.
And that's really nice.